G'day, Trumpet fam. My name's Harrison Ball, and I'm here today to show you a real life testimonial of what someone can achieve inside of Precision Brass program. I want you all to be able to meet one of my students. This is Paul. Paul started the program about 7 months ago, and I want you to listen to a real life, unedited before and after in the program. This is of a challenge that we did in the program, Season 4, Episode 12. This was his recording about 19 days ago. We're going to listen to a before and after in real life. Let's check it out. So that's before, just a little bit. And after we started working with each other, we started working on this, describing exactly what we had to do by me giving him some feedback here, which we did on just the challenge. That's not what's part of the program. That's a little bit extra on top of what's in the program. Then we started to come back. We actually circled back 19 days later, and he decided to post this one right here. So have a listen to this and you can hear the before and after. So this is Paul, and he's not a professional musician by any means, but he didn't let the fact that he wasn't a professional musician stop him. He sought out help, and this is what we've been able to achieve together. And have a listen to what he actually has to say right now about his transformation in the program.
Get out of that. So, on the other hand, on the basic range building one, just in World of Successes, I was working it last night, and for the first time, I got a real solid F sharp, and then I got a reasonably good G on the full the full arpeggio, and then when you're doing the thirds, it really came out okay too. So, seem to be making progress there.
Great.
And the thing that was helpful on that was your off centering thing. Where was that? That was 6 or something where we do the off center.
The scale too far right, too far left.
Too far left, yeah. So I went too far right, and I found that if I went too far right, I could still play, and in fact, the range went up.
Right?
Look, you got results here. I mean, there's no question that my playing is definitely in a different place. I mean, good. So, and now it's, I'm doing all the exercises. At some point, I got to play the music, but I'll get there.
So if you're interested and you're someone watching this looking to get from A to B in a non-traditional way, that means you're not just turning up to a lesson and, hey, work on this. How'd you go with last week's exercises? Oh, great. Okay. Well, let's hear you play those. And sounds great, man. Just throw some air down the trumpet, and then I'll see you next week. Thanks for your $200. If you're interested in that, by all means, do that. And if you're not, then reach out to me. Click the link below. Check the masterclass out, and then book a call with me, and we'll see if we can actually help your trumpet playing. All right, everyone. Take care and enjoy your fantastic start to a perfect year. See you later.